Today I will be showing you how to add a Spotify link on card. To begin, click on Add an element. This will open the list of elements that you can add to your card. Next, choose the link option. Once the link element is added, click on it to start editing. Change the link name to Spotify so viewers can easily recognize where the link will lead. After that, paste the Spotify link that you want to share into the link field. You can then adjust the appearance of the link to match the overall style of your card. Resize it, change its position, or update its design so it looks clean and easy to interact with. When everything looks good, click Done to save your changes. And that's how you add a Spotify link on card. Thank you for watching.